Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Science Special Class. In this video we will learn 10 lines about the plumber. So let us begin. The plumber. A plumber installs, repairs and maintains piping system in our homes and businesses. A plumber is a very important person of the society. He installs and maintains pipes. He installs and maintains pipes for potable water, drainage, irrigation and sewage, as well as other uses. Whenever there is any problem in any pipeline, everyone calls a plumber. He comes and solves the problem with his skills. Without plumber, life would be uncomfortable. He takes proper care of all the pipings. He helps the society very sincerely. He goes to the people when they call him to help them. He is an important community helper. We must respect him. Thank you. So these are 10 easy lines about the plumber. If you like my video, then please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.